Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. If we talk about Surah Al-Hujurat summary, then Surah Al-Hujurat contains etiquettes and norms to be observed in the Muslim community, including the proper conduct toward the Islamic Prophet Muhammad. The purpose of the surah is to teach Muslim community the manners concerning Allah and His Prophet, and also to teach them the basic principles for their social life. Especially as we can see in verse 6 that Muslims are instructed to investigate any news or rumor they get and not accept it without thorough analysis. Creating suspicions, entering into other people's affairs, and backbiting of the evil they should refrain from. They were also told in the surah that what should be their reaction in case there would be a fight or quarrel between among themselves. Let's move on the 9 etiquettes or taught in the Surah Hujurat to Muslims. Fa tabayyanu, investigate. Fa aslihu, make settlements. Wa aqsitu, act justly. La yaskar, do not ridicule. Wala tanabazu, do not call others by offensive names. Wala talmizu, do not insult each others. Ashtanibu kasiran minaz zan, avoid negative assumptions. Wala tajassu, do not spy. Wala yaktab, do not backbite. Let's move on the hadith number 4, sincere goodwill. Tamim ad-Dari reported, the messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, Inna deenun nasihatu. Verily, the religion is sincerity. In hadith number 6, love your brother, Anas ibn Malik reported, the messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, La yuminu ahaddakum hatta la yuhibba laqihi ma yuhibbu li nafsihi. None of you has faith until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself. In hadith number 11, do not get angry. Abu Huraira reported, a man said to the Prophet, advise me. The messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be